guys, today is a big day. We are giving away the 335i that, if you aren't aware, we've been building on our channel for the last couple months. If you're new to our channel, you can go back and check those out in the build vlog videos. But we are giving it away to one lucky winner who has entered our sweepstakes by purchasing products or merchandise through our site. But we have one last thing to show you guys before we give this car away, and that is the ceramic coat from AvalonKing. We've already applied it. We're gonna show you guys how we did that. The boys from Bodega Garage were in here yesterday and they finished the paint correction on our sweepstakes throtl 335i. It looks absolutely amazing. I'm gonna go ahead and take it one step further by applying our AvalonKing ceramic coating today, and there's a few steps that are involved with this. AvalonKing sent us over all the products to do it, and since the boys at Bodega Garage already washed and paint corrected the car yesterday, I don't need to tap into our wash soap here. They've already done that, but it is included in the kit along with the surface prep, which I'm gonna go ahead and do now. That's gonna go ahead and take off any impurities or anything that landed on the paint overnight while we were gone, or this morning while we were working on other cars. We're gonna get it cleaned up and prepared for our AvalonKing ceramic coating. All right, so I'm gonna go ahead and apply this surface prep spray just like any other mist and wipe product, and I've got a brand new microfiber here. So we'll go ahead and start with the hood. I'm gonna get this area cleaned up, and then I'll go ahead and begin with the ceramic. Wow. All right, well, I cleaned off the hood. It looks like Ariel and the boys did a really nice job because there is not a lick of dirt on this towel, so that's great news. All right, now that the car's all cleaned up, I'm gonna go ahead and open up our second box, which is the actual ceramic coating. Man, one thing I'll say is these guys do an awesome job with the packaging. You're really getting a nice product here. Wow, look at the presentation. Bottle looks so cool. Armor shield. Oh, there's our applicator. We've got a final towel for wiping off the product afterwards. We've got the applicator that goes with the foam block, and they even include a nice set of gloves for us. We have many gloves around here, but I'm gonna go ahead and use the AvalonKing supplied gloves. So you guys are probably wondering why we are applying this ceramic coating, and I'll give you a couple examples. So a lot of times you guys see the Honda, the Nissan, the BMW, all these cars just sitting around the shop. We do a lot of work in here, and there's a lot of dust and particles created in the shop, and we don't do a lot of outside washing. So by applying the ceramic coating, it's a simple way to protect the clear coat when we want to just do a quick wipe down before we go off to a meet or a car show, or just drive our cars home at night. So this is a great way to protect the top layer of clear on your car. This is going to create a coating on there that is hydrophobic, so when it gets wet, the water is going to come off really easy. So if you do want to wash your car, it's going to make that drying process that much quicker. And it also protects against bird droppings and other type of contaminants that come out of the air, and makes your car much, much easier to clean up quickly. One of the other great things I like about this product is it will last 2 to 3 years on your car. You're probably also wondering why they send such a little bottle, and that's because a little bit of this product actually goes a long way. You should have no problem coating your whole car with what is here. You probably should even have some left. All right, so now we're gonna grab our applicator foam block. It has a soft foam on this side and a harder foam on this side. You're gonna use the soft side, and you're gonna use one of these applicators that they send along. I'm gonna go ahead and wrap that around our block, just like so. All right, now I like to work in smaller areas instead of trying to tackle the whole hood. I'm gonna break the hood up into 4 sections. So I'm gonna start in the middle, and I'm gonna go about halfway down the hood, and I'm gonna cut back using an overlapping stroke like you would if you were mowing the lawn. So I'm gonna do 3 or 4 strokes going up and down with a 50% overlap, and then I'm gonna go back and actually do the same thing in the other direction. That way I make sure that I have every little area coated with our AvalonKing ceramic coating. So you're probably wondering, how do I know when to add more ceramic coating to the applicator? And as you do this and you experience it, you'll sort of figure out when it starts to look a little more dry, that's when you need to add a little more. Now, I've added one time at this point, and I can still see where it's applying itself to the clear coat. So I'm good to go for a little bit. I'm gonna keep drawing this across the surface until I have this whole quadrant of the hood covered. Now, I may be able to get halfway or 3/4 of the way across this without adding any more of our AvalonKing ceramic coating, or I may make it the whole way. You have to use your eyes and make that decision for yourself. One cool thing about this ceramic coating is it's not only for paint. You can also use it on your carbon fiber parts like we have on this car. So we'll do the mirrors, we'll do the wing, I'll probably do the front lip. And you can also use it on the headlights and taillights as well to protect them. So it's not just for paint, guys. It's actually for everything, even the glass. You don't have to apply a lot of pressure. You basically let the pad and the applicator do all the work. You're basically just using your hand to draw it across the surface. You don't have to press hard. You don't have to do anything special. This is a really simple process and something that you can easily do yourself at home. All right, guys, well, I've coated the whole hood now. We're gonna go ahead and give it 10-15 minutes to go ahead and just cure itself. And then we'll go ahead and grab our black microfiber cloth that was supplied with the AvalonKing's kit. And we'll go ahead and wipe the product off. And that will be the final step for this ceramic coating. It's as easy as that, guys. Apply it, let it cure, wipe it off. All right, well that was simple. Just using some up and down strokes, this AvalonKing ceramic coating just came right off, and man, the surface looks amazing. Paired with a great paint correction, this is the ultimate combination. You can use our coupon code TEAMTHROTL. You can find it in the link down below. Save yourself $25 off this. That's a massive savings. So not only are you gonna get this pretty inexpensively, you don't have to pay a detailer to do this every couple years, thousands of dollars. You can do it yourself very cost effectively, and it doesn't take a whole lot of time. It's pretty easy stuff. Okay, well I hope you guys learned something from that process of us applying the AvalonKing ceramic coat. And the next clip you're about to see is Sean walking through the throttle front doors in order to pick up his new 335i.
What is up, guys, and welcome back. Today's a super exciting one because Sean is here, right here. Hey. Sean's the winner of the 335i. We're gonna show him around the shop a little bit, have him meet the team, and then we're gonna hand over the keys.
Awesome.
So that's it.
I'm ready.
Ready? Are you ready? I'm ready. Ready? 3, 2, 1. Here she is.
It's so awesome.
This is for you.
All right, so your boy seems pretty reserved. Is that his normal demeanor?
I've known him for a while, and he's a pretty
serious and reserved guy. So if you can get him to crack a smile or two.
Oh, he was smiling pretty
inside. He's probably bursting at the seams.
He's ecstatic on the inside.
That's good.
He's just not planning to come down here for a while.
Oh, yeah.
He's gonna come back. He's gonna have a little smirk on his face, and that's all you need to know. Is that's enough.
We're gonna have to
That's
text
more
him
than
tonight and see how he liked his drive home to LA from me.
Yeah.
You know,
Awesome.
turbo whistle a little bit.
Tell me about the whistles.
The whistles got woo!
First impression so far.
Air struts, they feel like pullovers.
Yeah, it really does. If you've never driven a car with AccuAir specifically, do yourself a favor and try to find a car. Before you knock air suspension, you need to ride in a car and drive a car that has a properly set up suspension.
But I've been watching the channel for a long time. I actually started watching it because of the ARC-7.
Okay, Mickey's?
Yeah.
The FD, okay.
So I went on the website and I saw that if you signed up, you get discounts on various parts.
No, VIP. So
Yeah,
you signed up for VIP first.
Yeah. Ended up getting the V exhaust I bought.
Yep.
I was like, yeah, why
Yeah,
not?
why not? You didn't think you were gonna win a car. Now you own a 335i and a WRX.
Yeah.
I don't know, the fit and finish of this I think is super nice,
Yeah.
especially the carbon-tastic steering wheel. I think that really set it off.
Yeah.
And then just all the little details and the leather in here is super nice too. So Sean, one thing that we forgot to go over was all the exterior stuff that we did. So this car came to us as a 335i non-M Sport, which had the really ugly bumpers.
Yeah.
So huge thank you to Keys Motorsports for hooking us up, and we did the full M Sport conversion. So that's front bumper, rear bumper, side skirts, and then we also added
Brake ducting and everything.
yeah, oh yeah, it comes with everything.
Functional brake duct.
We also added a Verstyle carbon fiber front lip, the carbon fiber kidney grills, the side skirt extensions, the mirror caps, the shark fin. So there's a lot of carbon fiber. And then in the back is a PSM style, kind of like a high kick spoiler. We kind of went with the real aggressive spoiler in the back. We have the Keys Motorsports rear diffuser, side spats. And then I think a really cool touch is the AWE exhaust with the carbon fiber tips too. So kind of just rounds everything out. Lots of carbon fiber goodies. To me, it's just like the ideal daily driver mobile. I think you're gonna love it. That's it. Another car sweepstakes is in the books. You got the keys.
Yes, I do.
Enjoy.
Thank you.
Enjoy the car, have fun. Now, real quick, forgot to mention this earlier. If you want to stay up to date with the build, follow Sean's new Instagram, which is throtl_335i. And that's where he's going to be posting if he's doing other mods and all that stuff. So if you want to stay up to date, check it out. That's it. Thank you, sir.
Thank you.
Thank you for
It's
trusting
awesome.
us with your business. And,
Thank you.
and enjoy your AWE exhaust and enjoy your new car.
Awesome. I will. Thank you.
So on behalf of all of us here at Throtl, I want to go ahead and give a huge shout out to Sean. Congratulations, sir. I'm sure you're going to enjoy that 335 as much as we did building it. And if you guys entered and didn't win the 335i, you now have a chance to win our MR2 that we've been building in the background for the last few months. We'll be giving that car away in December. If you haven't got your entries in, please do so soon. Thank you guys so much for watching today. Hope you enjoyed it. We'll see you in the next one.